So, welcome back to another episode. That means Stu is back and back it at me. I have this Subaru 2019 Impreza, and how many miles he has?
To myself, this is how I'm going
be quiet, please, be quiet. He has 15,000 miles, and it's not ready to for inspection. Well, what we're gonna do first is we're gonna connect the OBD plug into the OBD port, and we're gonna check this out. We're gonna see what's up. We're gonna see if it's ready to pass inspection. I hope you see the screen. Let's see. We're gonna look for the option Subaru. Yes. What the? Sheesh. The funny thing is that I couldn't check the if he passed inspection with this one on this 2019 Subaru Impreza, so I'm gonna use this one. This one never fails. The Actron auto scanner. I don't know if it has a special number for this one, but we're gonna try it. Let's see. Plug it. Let's see what's up with this. Working, communicating with the vehicle. Please wait. I hope you can see this though. I don't know how good is this camera, and I'm saying the first person view. Good. I am monitors. Now we're gonna go to drive cycle monitor. Oh, misfire monitor incomplete, fuel system monitor incomplete, component incomplete, catalyst monitor incomplete, oxygen sensor monitor incomplete, oxygen sensor heater I guess incomplete, EGR VVT system monitor incomplete. So this car, as you can see, is not gonna pass inspection. I'm saying, because it's not good. It doesn't even have one complete. So in order to pass inspection, you're supposed to have all these complete. I'm saying, or at least one incomplete. I'm saying, I'm gonna go back. We're gonna see since DTC is clear. EVAP system monitor incomplete, oxygen sensor monitor incomplete, EGR VVT system incomplete. So this vehicle, this 2019 Subaru, Impreza with a 15,000 miles is not gonna pass inspection. Something crazy though. This is crazy. I don't know why, but we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna drive around and eliminate all these incomplete, turn these incomplete monitors to complete. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get them ready by driving around. You know what I'm saying? Go on the freeway, go 60 miles per hour for 5 minutes without braking. You know what I'm saying? Go through the city, go to the town. You know what I'm saying? Do all that, and while you do all that, use this. Just plug it like that. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna see it. Refresh it once in a while, and there you go. You have to say incomplete. No, you have to say, sorry about that. You have to say complete. So this is the end. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button, the share button. Put the feedback in the comment box. You know, let me know what you think about this video, about the camera and all that. This is a new camera. When I launch this video clip as a premiere, you can chat with me, alright? Live chat. Alright, and for that, use the super chats and the super stickers. Have fun with that, you know what I'm saying? And I'll catch you in the next one. Oh, before I go, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers, new subscribers, old subscribers, newcoming subscribers, haters, family members, community, the neighborhood, and all that. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate it. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the help. Thank you for the love. And it's only right that I give back to the community by doing this. You know what I'm saying? I hope you like it, enjoy. Holla at your boy. See you in the next one. Estuvo por un... Me.